DeLorean has unveiled its much-anticipated reimagination of the 80s classic car. DeLorean released fresh details and images of its Alpha5 EV, a gull-winged electric vehicle that the company's owners hope will resurrect the long-defunct brand and possibly set the direction for more electric models. The original DeLorean Motor Company, with John DeLorean at the helm, went bankrupt in 1982, leaving about 9,000 vehicles without parts or service. A US-based company bought the remaining inventory from the factory in Northern Ireland in 1983. That cash was first used to repair the orphan cars and was eventually bought, including distribution rights, by auto service station owner and DeLorean specialist Stephen Wynn in 1997. The revived DeLorean Motor Company that designed the Alpha5 is owned by a Texas-based DeLorean restorer that bought rights to the brand in 1995 and appears to be focused on electric models. Our goal was to bridge the gap between the past and the future, so we produced extensions of the DMC 12 that would have been icons in their time to create the next generation of vehicles, starting with the Alpha5, said Just de Vries, Chief Executive Officer of DeLorean Motors Reimagined, in a press release. Designed in collaboration with Ital Design, the DeLorean Alpha5 is based on the DMC 12, the ill-fated sports car that was made even more famous in the Back to the Future movie trilogy. It retains the gull-wing doors and the same approximate shape, but adds curves for a very modern take on the original. Like the original DMC DeLorean, the all-wheel drive Alpha5 was penned with help from Ital Design and keeps the hallmark doors, rear window louvers, and three-layer taillights of its predecessor. Though it wore a coat of red paint at the concours in August, it is also being sold in white and gray. The new DeLorean Alpha5 will be quicker than some supercars from a stoplight. It can sprint to 60 miles per hour in just 2.99 seconds and has a projected top speed of 155 miles per hour. It will have a 100 kilowatt-hours battery, a bit bigger than the Porsche Taycan, and have a company-estimated range of 300 miles. The car will rely upon a mix of artificial support and human control, according to the company's website. This seems to suggest there will be some kind of advanced driver assistance system, but it's unclear what the specific features will be. Other versions are thought to be coming too, although they are yet to be announced or confirmed. It's interesting that the doors lift up for both sets of seats, so rear passengers can enter through the respective doorways as well as driver in front. Inside, there are few if any nods to the 80s original, with a very modern central console featuring a touchscreen display unit. A virtual dash for the driver is the only other distinguishing feature at the front. DeLorean claims the Alpha5 will enter full production in 2024. DeLorean has not released details on its price, launch, or production run. It will premiere at the Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance in Pebble Beach, California on August 18. To reserve a production slot, buyers need to join DeLorean's Alphas Club by purchasing a lifetime membership for $88. That allows buyers access to their production slot and to get early access to future products, collectibles, and content. That slot can be transferred, traded, or sold, as long as it's to another Alphas Club member. Then they can purchase the production slot for an additional $2,500. DeLorean says pricing will not be revealed before orders open. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative and engaging videos on electric cars. Stay tuned for more exciting updates in the world of electric vehicles, and thanks a ton for watching.